the real shredded plantain chip made in Ghana, and this one is gravy bits, right? And that is chocolate mixed with groundnuts, and it's very, very tasty. All right, and guess who is the gorgeous creator? This is our ultimate entrepreneur. Your name, please? Efe.
Yes.
Okay, Efe. What is the name of your company?
ELS Food Services, so in short, EFS.
And where about are you established?
Currently in Ashaiman.
Okay.
Ashaiman,
Yes.
Ashaiman.
All right. Where about if somebody wants to come and taste it or just come and take some of it? Where would they come?
So if anyone is interested in retailing, we have so many strategies on ways that we can go about. We can give it to you for wholesale if you want to stock in your maybe in your area. You want to be the one to wholesale to other people. We can talk about that. If you want to retail at a shop too, we can also talk about that. You just have to call me on 055 3678 744 055 3678 744, or you could even find us on social media, Instagram, ELS Food GH. Sorry, ELS Food GH, and then on Facebook too, ELS Food GH as well.
Okay.
Yeah, and we have amazing stuff. That's not the only ones we have. I didn't know I was coming here.
Sure.
I would have brought more. We do instant Tom Brown.
Okay.
Tom Brown that you don't need to cook or add sugar or milk. You just add your water, whether cold or hot, and then you're gone.
Okay.
So for like people who are always busy, needs to get to work on time, students, is the best cereal for you in the morning. We do apapa and sunflower, and so many other stuff as well too. So get in touch and let's talk.
Okay. All right. So just in case, what is the price range?
Okay. So for the plantain chips,
Yes.
Retailing, that one is up for discussion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
But for if you're buying, one is 5 cedis.
Okay.
One is 5 cedis, and it's the same for this is 1, 2. One is also 5 cedis as well.
Okay.
Our cereal, the morning food is 15 cedis, and it's a 500 gram. And we have that for pransa. That one is 1 kilogram. That one goes for 18 cedis.
Okay. All right. Would you put on weight, or obviously you look fantastic? So it looks as if it's very nutritious, right?
What not to lie to you, I actually ate the Tom Brown this morning.
Oh yeah.
Yes. I like Tom Brown, and I don't like the idea of buying milk, buying sugar, cooking it up. So it's because of my needs. Let me say I made this product out of my needs. So I made the Tom Brown to suit what I think I would like. And guess what? A lot of people also like it because they don't want to have to buy all that. So just add your water and you're good to go. So I believe it's nutritious. So if you look at me.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So if somebody maybe want to have a sample for taste, where is the quickest way to do it to get your product?
Okay, so I have so many shops that has some.
Okay.
Ambience Spa.
Okay.
You get some here at Ambience Spa.
Okay.
Which is at Tulako or Ashaiman. You can get some at Gold Coast Grills at Laboni.
Okay.
You can get some of the plantain chips and the nuts there.
Okay.
You can get the plantain chips and the nuts and the cocoa lac at 37 total from the station.
Okay.
Yeah, 37 total. Okay. Liberation Road, that's it.
Oh, we were there yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You can get some there. And opposite, I think adjacent rather,
Yeah.
Golf filling station to 37, you can also get some there. You can also find a paparansa at Migmat. You can also get some at P1 Supermarket and Splinters, and then Tetegu Scientific Shop. We have so many retail, so you just call me and then let me know the nearest place that is closer to you, and you can get some. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.